You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name of a mammal, herbivorous. If you want to learn more animal names pronounced that are confusing, stay tuned. There are two different ways of pronouncing it, two correct pronunciations. British English pronunciation is dugong. Dugong. Now, the American English pronunciation, the correct pronunciation used more in the US, is as dugong. Alright, so you have dugong, stress on the first syllable in both cases, dugong or dugong. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.